What's up guys, it's your girl Tam and I'm back for another video. First of all, happy new year to you all, and today I'm in Ikea. I need to get some storage boxes, and you know when you go to Ikea you always plan to get just a couple of things and it doesn't turn out that way. So stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. So we've got dustpan and brush. This trolley is the best thing ever. I highly recommend it. I've put my what's it called, shopping bag in it, but it unfolds and stuff. Okay guys, just grabbing a bathroom towel. There you are.
Towel.
Mat. That's like a bedroom rug. That is nice.
It's a bathroom one. You know when people got big bathrooms?
Yeah. So guys, this is like the storage area, and this is what I was saying you can put in. There was a vlog I did a while ago. Anyway, you can get these like little dividers to put in your drawer, and these are $8.50. So guys, I found the containers that I want, right? But there's just one thing. Are you actually kidding me right now? Literally, these are bigger. These are way bigger. So they've got the £4, £12. These are £5, but there's none in stock. Bro, if you don't understand how much I need containers, and I've already got these ones, but these aren't as strong. These are 11 quid, but these are 7 quid actually. Got 2 of these green containers because the ones that I wanted are sold out. Well, the lids are sold out. And then I picked up these little cardboard boxes, light area, and these lights are my absolute favorite. I remember when they first came out. So cute. I'll do a lash video because I ordered these lashes. These are like really heavy. Guys, tell me, why does my mom call me Dora? Like origami type of lamps. Oh, that's so cute. Why do you call me Dora?
I think it would dominate your bedroom.
The thing is, I like my chandelier that I have at the moment. I'm such a clown. Mummy! Oh, that is nice. Just got my vegan hot dog and fries. About to put some sauce in it. We are in Darnell, and I came in here for storage, but these are so cute. I love this colour. Guys, talk to me. Tell me what you think about this. I'm really feeling this, but it just looks really tight. It's hood rich. This is something I've been wanting for the past few months, but it's tight. It looks like one police officer. So guys, I just tried this on, this Vans t-shirt at the back as well. For those of you who don't know, Supply and Demand is one of my favourite brands from River Island. Absolutely love it. It's like, yeah, like a little waistcoat, sleeveless. On the back it says River Club. These buttons are so cute. This bag from River. Absolutely love it. The colour, the inside, it's got like a zip. 2 lipsticks. So that is the green, and that's the blue. One is number 13 and the bottom is number 4.